Our Earth, about 4.5 billion years ago, wasn't the welcoming place it is today. It was a hot volcanic world, shrouded in a toxic atmosphere. Imagine constant volcanic eruptions, spewing lava and gases, and you get the picture. Yet in this seemingly inhospitable environment, life first emerged. Not the kind of life we are familiar with, but microscopic organisms, tiny enough to fit on the period at the end of this sentence. These early life forms were incredibly hardy, able to withstand conditions that would be deadly to us. They were also incredibly simple, lacking the complex structures of even the most basic plant or animal cell today. But these simple organisms were pioneers, the first tentative steps in a journey that would ultimately lead to all life on Earth, including us. Scientists believe that life likely arose in the deep ocean, near hydrothermal vents. These vents are fissures in the Earth's crust where geothermally heated water spews out, rich in minerals and chemicals. It was a hot, dark, and chemically rich environment, but perfect for these early life forms. These organisms, called chemoautotrophs, didn't need sunlight to survive. Instead, they derived energy from chemical reactions, specifically from the oxidation of inorganic compounds like sulfur. These were the first whispers of life on our planet, a testament to the incredible tenacity and adaptability of life itself. Deep in the ocean, far from the reach of sunlight, a remarkable discovery was made. Scientists found thriving ecosystems clustered around hydrothermal vents fueled by a process called chemosynthesis. These ecosystems were teeming with strange and wonderful creatures, but at the base of it all were microbes, tiny organisms that had figured out a way to live off of chemicals, not sunlight. These microbes, often called extremophiles for their ability to thrive in extreme environments, are a testament to the diversity of life on Earth. They utilize a process called chemosynthesis, which is similar to photosynthesis, but instead of using sunlight for energy, it harnesses energy from chemical reactions. Imagine a world without sunlight, a world of perpetual darkness. That's the world these microbes call home. Yet they thrive extracting energy from the chemicals spewing out of the Earth's crust. They use this energy to convert carbon dioxide and other simple molecules into the organic compounds they need to survive. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of life on Earth. It showed us that life can exist in places we once thought impossible, and it opened up the possibility of finding life on other planets, even those without sunlight. Hydrothermal vents are like underwater geysers, spewing hot, mineral-rich water from the Earth's crust. The water is heated by magma, molten rock beneath the Earth's surface, and as it rises, it picks up dissolved minerals and chemicals. These chemicals, particularly sulfur compounds, are the key to chemosynthesis. The microbes that live around these vents have evolved unique enzymes, biological catalysts that can speed up chemical reactions. These enzymes allow them to break down the sulfur compounds and release energy, a process similar to how we break down food to release energy. This energy is then used to fuel the conversion of carbon dioxide into sugars, much like plants use sunlight to convert carbon dioxide into sugars during photosynthesis. The difference is that chemosynthesis relies on chemical energy, while photosynthesis relies on light energy. This process, chemosynthesis, is the foundation of the entire hydrothermal vent ecosystem. The microbes form the base of the food chain, providing sustenance to a variety of other creatures, from tube worms and clams to crabs and fish. The transition from these early chemosynthetic life forms to organisms that could utilize sunlight was a pivotal moment in the history of life on Earth. This transition from a world powered by chemicals to a world powered by sunlight opened up new possibilities for life, ultimately leading to the incredible diversity we see today. Scientists believe that this transition occurred gradually, with some organisms evolving the ability to use both chemosynthesis and a primitive form of photosynthesis. These early photosynthetic organisms, likely similar to today's purple bacteria, could utilize the energy from sunlight to supplement their energy needs. Over time, these photosynthetic organisms became increasingly efficient at capturing sunlight, eventually giving rise to cyanobacteria, the first organisms to release oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis. This oxygenation of the atmosphere had a profound impact on life on Earth, paving the way for the evolution of oxygen-breathing organisms like ourselves. The journey from sulfur-eating microbes huddled around hydrothermal vents to the lush sunlit world we know today is a testament to the power of evolution. It shows us that life is incredibly adaptable, capable of thriving in even the most extreme environments, and evolving to take advantage of new energy sources. And it all began with those humble, sulfur-eating microbes, a reminder that even the smallest of creatures can have a profound impact on the history of life.